Hello everyone, my name is Yuri Bilast and I will help you set up your avatar. So first you go to the Spatial website, it's spatial.io, and there you create an account. Once you've created an account, you have the option to create or customize your avatar. The first option is to use a realistic head. Actually, it's the third option on the screen over there on the right. But if you don't really like the face that you got through the picture, then you can create your own Ready Player Me avatar. So choose a body type. Here again, you can upload a picture. It's useful to use a picture because then the avatar is generated based on the picture and you don't have to define everything from in the beginning. And here I am. It looks already quite like me. Just, of course, I can change the clothing if I don't really like the t-shirt or the pants or the shoes. I can change it. I can change the size of my head. Can change my hair color and my hairstyle. So here I clicked on the man bun. Let's check if it has worked. Yes, it's the right one. Now it's just the hair color that I need to change. If I want it to look like me, of course, you can look like whoever you want. It's not the ideal color for my hair, but let's keep it just for the purpose of the demo. And then when you're finished, it will ask you to create a Ready Player Me account if you want it, to save it, to be able to use your avatar for other metaverses and not only Spatial, or you can just skip that and create the avatar only for Spatial. And there you go. Now this avatar will be available for you the next time that you log in to Spatial.